Morten, that's a pretty brave call right there to call the bottom of the market. How certain can you be?
You can also call it naive, in the sense that we are struggling with confidence, which, as far as I can see, is that the U.S. is at the brink of a new recession. I think this is the key, together with the Eurozone crisis. These two things have to play out and will play out in the coming weeks, not months, weeks. We are so stressed in the stock market now that there will be some sort of conclusion to this very, very high volatile market. It could end in a new low. I will not say that, but if we look 3 months ahead, 6 months ahead, I think we will see higher stock prices than we see at the moment, because it's not all that has to do with financial conditions in the Eurozone. We have still a world that is growing. IMF cuts its forecast on GDP for next year. If we could
Morten,
believe in these forecasts,
sorry to interrupt you, but
higher market.
you know, we just had sort of manufacturing data coming in from China that was fairly weak. There is growing concern now about the situation in Europe, potentially affecting emerging markets and growth over there as well. And that's just without talking about overheating and inflation problems over there. So I'm just wondering, how do you take all this? How do you factor all this into your investment strategy when you think about where to go? Because, well, right now, a lot of investors I speak to are saying we're taking risk off the table. Equity's not the place to be.
I see the point. I just believe that we have already discounted almost total full recession in Europe. We know that the emerging markets are in for soft landing. Also, the data we saw this morning on PMI in China, this soft landing data is not hard landing data.
Got it. Morten Kongshaug in Copenhagen.